Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Starknet token in the future. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So as you can see, CoinMarketCap is giving a warning, beware of scam tokens. Starknet tokens are not offered for sale. So currently it's not offered for sale, but I will tell you exactly how you can go ahead and purchase it in the future once it's launched. So basically this is a ZK rollup and it's a layer 2 on the Ethereum network. And if we go, they have a decent following on Twitter. If I go up around 282k, so I think this token should do good. Maybe at the start it will be slow in the pickup, and then the price of this token may rise in the future. Although do your own research, none of this is a financial advice. Now the first thing for buying Starknet token is like you will need Ethereum. Now if you already have Ethereum on some other centralized exchange or other wallet, it's perfectly fine. If not, then if you are starting out fresh in crypto, then I would suggest is create an account on Mexi Global over here, where it has the lowest buying and the selling fees. Now I will leave a sign up link in the description where you will be getting a lot of sign up bonuses. And once you have an account on Mexi Global, you can go ahead and purchase Ethereum coins over there. Now all you have to do is you will need to have a wallet. So the best wallet I think so is Trust Wallet for this. So simply go ahead and add Trust Wallet to a Chrome browser, or maybe if you are using mobile phone, that's perfectly fine, no problem. So all you have to do is once you have a Trust Wallet setup, you can have a look at your other YouTube video as to how you can set up Trust Wallet if you don't know. Now all you have to do is you will need to go to Trust Wallet over here once you have it set up, and then in the network you will need to select this Ethereum network, and in the search bar you will need to select Ethereum and click on it and click on receive and copy your contract address and paste it on Mexi Global or any other centralized exchange or maybe wallet to withdraw Ethereum. Now once the Ethereum is transferred, all you have to do is you will need to go to etherscan.io and search for Starknet over here. Please note that there might be some scam tokens out there, so you have to be very careful about this. So all you have to do is you will need to copy this contract address as you can see over here. So I will copy it, and what I will do is I will need to go to Trust Wallet over here. So basically first we'll need to import this token on the Trust Wallet. So we'll keep the network as Ethereum itself and we'll search for Starknet. So as you can see, Starknet is not getting populated over here. So we have to go ahead and import a custom token. So we'll click on manage crypto over here and click on import over here, and over here we will add the contact address, and as you can see now Stark Ethereum is populated. So I will simply go ahead and click on add. So now it will reflect over here in your Trust Wallet or some other wallet that you use. Plus please be careful that always you will need to select this Ethereum chain. Now once you have this setup, all you have to do is you will need to go to this app oneinch.io, and in the network you will need to select Ethereum network. Now over here you can either search Starknet. As you can see, for now there is only one token, or maybe you can paste in the contact address of the token that you have copied from the Etherscan, and as you can see this token is now populated. Simply click on it. Now once this token is live, you will be able to like swap your Ethereum with Starknet token. So currently we don't know the price of Starknet yet, and that's why it's not showing. So it is this simple how you can buy Starknet token in the future. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.